guys, welcome back to new advanced study. This is Yamini and today I am going to explain you a chapter which is The Phone They Had. This chapter writer is Isaac Asimov. So let's get started this chapter. Hey guys, this is a chapter, The Fun They Had. Before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? This story is written by keeping in the mind of the future generations. When there will be no schools, there will be no books, then how the coming generation will complete their study. Diagram which you are able to see on your screen may give you some ideas of the future generation schools. In the first picture, you are able to see learning through computers. Means this picture is showing that a child is sitting in front of computer and completing his study. Second is virtual classrooms, means a type of classroom which will be set in the house. And the third is robotic teacher, means there will be no human teachers, there will be just mechanical teachers. And fourth is moving e-text. So these are the pictures that you are able to see on your screen. It may give you an idea of future generation. Now come on the first para of the story. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th of May 2157. She wrote, "Today, Tommy found a real book. It was very old. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all the stories were printed on the paper. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to, on a screen, you know. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it that it had when they read it the first time." This para means that there was a girl named as Margie and she was writing in her diary by giving the heading 17th of May 2157. The Tommy found a real book means the boy named as Tommy found a real book. That book was very old. There was so many dust on the book and the pages were folded. Then Margie remembered that once time her grandfather told her that then when there was a little boy, all the stories were printed on the paper that now you see on the screen of a computer or a television. These all the stories were printed on the paper. They was not printed on the screen. It means that the story which you are able to see on your now screen, all the stories were printed on the paper, and then when they turned back to the pages before which they were read before, they were just same. The letters were not. The letters does not move from one place to another. And then he said that Margie's grandfather said that their book was yellow color and the crinkly. There is a word crinkly which means that with many folders lines. After listening these all the stories, then Tommy replied, "Gee," said Tommy, "what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away. I guess a television screen must have had a millions books on it and it is good for plenty more. I would not throw it away." After listening this story, then Tommy said that, "Gee, what a waste," means what a type of such waste when you are just read the book and you throw it in the garbage. I guess then Tommy said that I had seen in the television when they showed the millions of books, but it is good for me that I don't having in the real. Then Margie said, "Same with mine," said Margie. She was 11 and had not seen as many books as Tommy had. Means after Tommy talked to Margie, then Margie replied that same with mine, means this also happened with mine. And Margie was just 11 years old and she was not having many books as a Tommy had. Means books means that a type of books meant for TV only. She said, "Where did you find it?" Then Margie asked Tommy that where did you find it? "In my house," he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. Then Tommy replied that this book I had found in my house. He pointed at the way of attic means a space just below the roof used as a storeroom, means you can say storeroom also. Then Margie asked what it is about. Means that this story is what written about. Tommy replied that this story is written about school. Margie was scornful. School, there is a word. Scornful means hateful. Scornful means hateful. Margie hated the school. What is there to write about school? I hate school. That what is the thing which is very interesting to write about the schools? Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. But from the beginning, the Margie usually to hate the school, but now she hated more. Then the mechanical teachers had been giving her test after test in geography, and she began doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Means that Margie hated the school forever and ever. There is a reason also why Margie hated the schools, because the mechanical teacher being taking her geography test every day. Whenever the geography class held, he used to take the her geography test, in which she was regularly scoring very low. Then her mother just keep in mind, remember that why she is getting very low grades in the geography test. Then she shake the Margie's head and sent to the county inspector. After shaking the Margie hand, then she called to the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. The mechanical teacher was a round little man. His face was very red, and he was getting very whole box of tools with dials and wires with him, and he smiled at Margie. He gave a smile to the Margie and gave an apple to her. Then after that, he took the mechanical teacher away from the Margie. Margie had hoped he would not know how to put it together again. Margie was thinking in her mind that the county inspector could not know that how to put it again by in the same way. But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. But the county inspector knew all about the teacher, how to put it and how to reset it. That then also when he started the mechanical teacher, it was asking the questions and lessons were asked. It was not bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework. The most hateful part of the Margie was that the slot. Slot means a given space for keeping a homework. A given space in which she usually used to put the homework and test paper. She always had to write them out in a punch card. They made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in her own time. Whenever she gave him the test to the mechanical teacher, it just taken a second to calculate all the marks. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. Now the inspector was again after finishing the work. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. After finishing the work, the county inspector had smiled at the Margie and tapped quickly Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It was not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." Then he said to the Margie's mother that, "Who is Mrs. Jones?" Mrs. Jones was Margie's mother. He said that it was not the little girl's fault, and there was not any mistake of the little girl. Those things happen sometimes. This type of mistakes happen sometimes. I have solved it up to an average 10-year level. Then he said that I had solved this type of problem, and I had set the mechanical teacher according to the 10 years age. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's hand again. Means that this mechanical teacher was set as the high level. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away together. Means that after listening that her mechanical teacher is okay, then she got very sad, and she thought that the mechanical teacher will be go away from her altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Means once time the Tommy's teacher was also in the trouble, and it was not there was not history lessons, and the history sector was blanked totally. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? Then she asked to Tommy that what is thing to write about school, and how why someone have to write about the school. Tommy looked at her with superior eyes. Because it is not her kind of school, stupid. Then Tommy, when Margis asked that, why would anyone write about the schools? What is there any and very amazing thing to write about the school? Then Tommy looked at Margie with the superior eyes. Superior eyes means that by the intelligent way. Then he said, it is not our kind of school. Stupid means that there is not our kind of schools, that schools we are having at this time. This is all kind of schools that they had hundreds and hundreds year ago. He ended loftily. Now loftily means in a superior way. By speaking in a superior way means by speaking in the very large, taking a strength of the way. Means hundreds years ago like this. Pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago means that we think that there could not mistake by speaking the word in this way he pronounced. Margie was hurt. Then Margie felt very bad. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. Then she did. Okay, I don't know what kind of school they were having in the past. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. So then she asked that, by the way, just forget that all the things. Anyway, they could not have a teacher. Sure, they have a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. Then Tommy said that it was not a regular teacher. The regular teacher means a teacher who is having a permanently hair. It was a man. How could a man be a teacher? Then Margie said, a man, how a human being, how can be the teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Then Tommy replied, well, all the boys and girls were sitting in the classroom and they were asked to the questions and the homework also they give, and there was just one teacher in the classroom. A man is not smart enough. Then Margie said, a human being is not smart enough than the mechanical teachers. Sure, he is. My father knows as much my teacher. Then Tommy said, yeah, it can be, because my father is very intelligent and my mechanical teacher, he knows almost as much. Then he said that he knows many more than my mechanical teacher. I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She said, I would not want a strange man in my house to teach me. She said that I would not allow any man to come in my house and to allow to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. Then Tommy laughed a very high volume. You don't know much, Margie. The teacher did not live in the house. They has a special building and all the kids went there. Then Tommy said, Margie, you don't know as much me. The teacher did not live in the house. The teacher never lived in her house. They had a special buildings. They had a building in what they are referring to the building. They are referring to the schools. And all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same things. Sure. Then Tommy said that all the child went to that building. Then Margie said, and all the kids learned the same things. Right? Sure, if they were the same age. He said that sure, if they were the same age means that suppose you are just 12 years old, 14 years old, and then you are having a same class according to your ages. This is referring to. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl he teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Then Margie said, But my mother says, mm, but my mother says that a teacher has to be adjusted. Mean a teacher has to adjust himself according to the boy or girl mind, and they have to touch it differently. Just the same, they did not do it that way. Then, if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Then Tommy said, if you did not like this book, you should go it far away and you should not read it. Read the book. She want. Then Margie replied that I did not say that I did not like it. Margie said quickly. She wanted to read books, read about those funny schools. Then Margie was having a desire in her mind to read the funny schools. They were not even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. The book was just on the between they were reading. Then Margie's mother called Margie, your school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it is probably time for Tommy too. Yes, Margie, your time start now, and Tommy's your time also start now. Margie said to Tommy, "Can I read the book some with more with you after school?" Then Margie said, "After completing the work, can I come to you and can I read this book?" Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling. The dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Then Tommy replied, "Yeah, you can read this book after completing your schools." There is a word nonchalantly means not showing much interest, means he was not any interest in the Margie's talks. And he walked by doing whistle and he ran to his schoolroom. Margie went to the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. Then Margie went to the schoolroom. The schoolroom was just right next to her bedroom. There is a one bedroom, and by the side there is her schoolroom, and the mechanical teacher was working on and waiting for her. It was always on that at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Means like that we are having a holiday on Saturday and Sunday. By the same way, the mechanical teachers was usually on the same time. The time was fixed when from when to and when this subject will be going on. This was set in the mechanical teacher. Because her mother said little girls learn better if they learned at regular hour. The time was set because her mother used to say if the time will be set according to our, then the little girl will be able to learn and she will get a regular knowledge. The screen was lit up and it said, lit up means to flash. The screen was flashing regularly and it's today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Means that mechanical teacher said that today we will read arithmetic lesson. It is a lesson which is in the math, is on the addition of fractions, and this way he started to touch the Margie. Margie did so with a sigh. Margie did the same with a sigh. Sigh means but to taking a deep breath. She was thinking about the old schools that day when her grandfather was a little boy. She was thinking all the type of schools which we are having now at this time. That how all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing, shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. This all the type she was thinking about, and the teacher were people. Then she said a teacher was also a human being. She was thinking in her mind. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we had fraction, whatever he used to touch her. And then Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. By the last 3-4 words of the chapter, this chapter got the name The Fun They Had. Then So the summary of this story is, first of all, Margie discovered the book, means discovery of a real book. Then Margie talked with Tommy about the tally books. Then Margie said she hated the schools, means Margie hated for schools. Then after it, a geography test is going to be continued every time. Then Margie sent for the county inspector. Then Tommy's knowledge about the old school when Margie had said that whatever they were not having a type of school. Then Margie's school times when Margie's mother called her to school. Then Margie's feeling, how she was feeling about the school. This was all story, the fun they had. This story was written by Isaac Asimov. I hope you all are understand this story. Thank you.